welcome to another video. Today I have another vacuum unboxing. In here should be hopefully a vintage Goblin Aquavac. Got this off eBay. I think it was like 25 quid or something. It weren't that much money. I thought, well, I saw it and I thought, yeah, well, I love that one. So yeah, here we are. I've got quite a few machines on the way, actually. I think I've got another 3 on their way to me. So yeah. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get into it. We've got a Sainsbury's bag. Yeah, it's the Goblin Aquavac. Got the original Goblin style floor tool from back in the day. I've got one of these already on an Oric hand vac thing I found at work. We've got 2 plastic extension tubes which ain't cracked, which is good. And then we've got hose, which is sadly broken. It's, yeah, I don't know what's happened there. I might be able to cut it down and do something with it, or I might just cut that off and put a Henry cuff on it, but you know, it's just a standard kind of wet and dry back hose, that, you know. Very well packed actually, I must say. It's wrapped in some kind of dust sheet. So yeah, it is in 2 parts. It's come apart in transit. So we'll take it out the box and then we'll just chuck the box over here for a minute. Like so. So here it is. It's one of these black and gold type Aquavacs, and yeah, it's got this filter in it as well, which I ain't seen before in one of these. But yeah, the tub's quite rusty. It smells quite musty actually. And yeah, so put this filter in, genuine Aquavac filter I think, and then we'll put the motor unit on like that. 1, 2 and 3. So yeah, here it is. It's quite good. The cable entries come out the back a bit and it is a little bit smashed, but you know, yeah. On off switch on the front there. Got to try and turn this thing around actually. Although it probably doesn't come off actually, thinking of it. This truck thing, yeah, it does come off. So we'll literally just centre this up. People used to have them like that. So that's centred up there like that. Although it's not fully on, I've got to kind of bend the wheels about to get the base on, but yeah, it's on there now. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I'll still plug on one of these, but you know, standard stuff for an Aquavac this age. Hose just goes in. Yeah, and the top is cracked as well. I've only just noticed that, but that should glue up, hopefully. Don't think it was like that on the listing, but oh well. Any dates on here? No. Yeah, there we go. There is this Goblin Aquavac. I might just switch it on quickly, see how loud it is. I won't switch it on for long, but you know. So we'll just quickly plug it in here, and we'll switch it on. So here we go. And yeah, it is very loud, but you know, quite a cool machine, quite light. Just set the tools up on it. Yeah, shame about the hose end on this really. They're reverse fitting on this as well. It's missing the, I think it's meant to have a handle as well, because that's quite short. Hose doesn't really swivel. But yeah, pulls around quite easily. Yeah, it's just a classic Goblin Aquavac really, this one. Anyway, there we go. There is my new Goblin Aquavac. Just brush this down so I don't slide around. And yeah, there we go. There's the Goblin Aquavac. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.